Okay, I'm trying another cauliflower recipe. We're going to see if we can get Steve to eat this side dish. But I'm going to be making it a little different. Okay, so I'm going to add 1 cup of broth. And then I have some cauliflower, frozen cauliflower here, 12-ounce bag. I'm going to add it in and we're going to bring it to a boil on the stove. We're going to put a lid on it and let it cook for about 15 minutes. You want it to be soft and tender. Always when I'm doing cauliflower, I've noticed I do not like cauliflower. I've never been a cauliflower person. I've never really liked cauliflower. But I've noticed that the best way to do these cauliflower recipes is to add things that give it more flavor. So instead of just boiling it in water, I always boil it in broth. And that helps the flavor because that cauliflower absorbs that broth and it helps with the flavor. So I'm going to be making cauliflower, what are they called? Caulimash. Caulimash potatoes, basically. They're fake potatoes. We're going to be making fake potatoes. So I'm going to go ahead and put this on the stove, get it boiling, let it boil for about 15 minutes with the lid on. Last time I made these, they were too runny, so I'm doing them different this time. If my phone unfogs, y'all can see. I'm going to let it sit here for a couple of seconds, probably about 30 seconds to see if anything else drains out of them. Then we're going to put everything in my Ninja blender. We've got the cauliflower. We're going to put 3 tablespoons of butter, 1/4 cup of sour cream, and 1/2 teaspoon of garlic, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and about 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. Okay. Put my butter. Oh, here's my butter. All right, it's about 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. Half a teaspoon of garlic powder. We're going to do 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Okay, I'm going to take this over there and blend it. I'll be right back. They're still a little runny looking. I don't know. Anybody got any suggestions on how to thicken them up a little? All right. What am I doing with my dish? They smell good. But I thought they were good last time and he didn't care for them. All right. Let me zoom in some so y'all can. Maybe the bacon and the cheese will help. We'll see. I don't see him wasting bacon and cheese no matter what it's on. We'll see. Look at that. Those are loaded fake potatoes, y'all. Okay, here's our chicken. It smells good. We'll see how it tastes here in just a second. We got us some loaded fake potatoes to go with our chicken. Well, the bacon and cheese is good. I can see that's coming.
I wish you hadn't done this to the bacon and cheese. Did you like it?
This is you reviewing.
Yeah, I know.
Okay. Steve's saying he does not like it. Not even with bacon and cheese. He's saying it without saying it. Okay. Congratulations, I'm done feeding you cauliflower stuff. Y'all, I like it. I think
Really?
it's good. Yes, I do. I like it. I think it's
can taste
good.
the garlic more than anything.
Anyway, it's good, y'all. If you... I don't know. Steve just doesn't like it. I think if Steve didn't know it was cauliflower, he might like it.
The chicken's good. Chicken's really good. Should have traded you that slop there for your piece of chicken. The chicken is 2 thumbs up and drool worthy. It is excellent.
Well, I'm glad you are enjoying the chicken. There is more chicken over there if you need a side of chicken with your chicken.
I may.
Okay. Thank you. Rolling your eyes.
You're so very welcome.